She doesn't know what she wants. She goes out with many a guy, and when I see them I start to cry, 'cause I love her, but she just likes me. I couldn't be in love without her. Why won't she give me a chance? But her parents keep her so hard. On top of all this, she breaks my heart. She just likes me. Yeah, she just likes me. But when I try to tell her that for me there can be no other, she just turns away. She never hears me say I love her, but she just likes you. I love her, but she just likes you.